Do you want a simple way to make your hair look and feel shiny and healthy? Today, we're diving into the top 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily, an impressive healing remedy that not only boosts your overall health, but also works wonders for your hair. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary tea can stimulate hair growth, strengthen strands, and even combat dandruff. In this video, we'll explore the myriad benefits of this aromatic herbal infusion, revealing how it can enhance your well-being and transform your hair care regimen. Stay tuned as we uncover these incredible reasons to sip on rosemary tea every day. Number 10. Supports skin health. Rosemary tea is a powerhouse for skin health, rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin, making it an excellent choice for those with conditions like acne or eczema. While it ranks at number 10, it lays the foundation for a radiant complexion, promoting circulation and enhancing skin tone. Compared to higher-ranked benefits, such as hair growth stimulation, its skin-supporting attributes are more subtle, yet essential, providing a gentle yet effective way to nurture your skin from within. Number 9. Aids in detoxification. Rosemary tea plays a vital role in detoxifying the body, helping to flush out harmful toxins and support liver function. Its diuretic properties promote increased urination, which aids in the elimination of waste. Ranking at number 9, it offers a gentle yet effective way to cleanse your system, setting the stage for better overall health. While higher-ranked benefits like improved digestion may provide more immediate effects, the detoxifying qualities of rosemary tea are essential for long-term wellness, ensuring your body remains balanced and rejuvenated. This makes it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Number 8. Strengthens immune system. Rosemary tea is a potent ally for your immune system, packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that help fend off illness. Its antimicrobial properties combat harmful bacteria and viruses, making it a natural shield for your health. Ranking at number 8, it provides a solid foundation for immune support, especially during cold and flu season. While higher-ranked benefits, such as enhanced cognitive function, may offer immediate mental clarity, the immune-boosting effects of rosemary tea are crucial for maintaining overall vitality and resilience, ensuring your body is well-equipped to fight off infections and stay healthy. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rosemary tea boasts remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for those seeking relief from chronic inflammation. Rich in rosmarinic acid and other compounds, it helps reduce swelling and pain, particularly beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Ranking at number 7, its soothing effects provide a gentle yet effective way to manage discomfort, setting it apart from higher-ranked benefits like enhanced digestion, which may offer more immediate relief. The anti-inflammatory attributes of rosemary tea contribute significantly to overall health, promoting a balanced body and supporting recovery from various ailments over time. Number 6. Improves circulation. Rosemary tea is renowned for its ability to enhance circulation, promoting better blood flow throughout the body. This invigorating beverage contains compounds that stimulate the cardiovascular system, helping to deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to vital organs. Ranking at number 6, its circulation-boosting properties are crucial for overall vitality, especially when compared to higher-ranked benefits like cognitive enhancement, which may provide more immediate mental clarity. Improved circulation not only supports heart health, but also contributes to a radiant complexion and increased energy levels, making rosemary tea a delightful addition to your wellness routine. Number 5. Promotes healthy hair growth. Rosemary tea is a fantastic natural remedy for promoting healthy hair growth, packed with nutrients that nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. Its ability to improve circulation stimulates hair growth, while antioxidants protect against damage and promote shine. Ranking at number 5, it stands out for its dual action of enhancing both hair health and appearance, especially when compared to higher-ranked benefits like cognitive enhancement, which focuses on mental clarity. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can lead to thicker, healthier hair, making it an essential part of any hair care regimen. Number 4, enhances mood and reduces stress. Rosemary tea is not just a physical tonic. It also works wonders for your mental well-being. Its aromatic compounds have been shown to uplift mood and alleviate stress, making it a soothing choice for those seeking relaxation. Ranking at number 4, it provides a calming effect that contrasts with higher-ranked benefits like improved cognitive function, which sharpens focus and clarity. The delightful scent and warm infusion of rosemary tea create a comforting ritual, helping to melt away tension and promote a sense of tranquility, making it an essential part of your self-care routine. Number 3, supports digestive health. Rosemary tea is a remarkable ally for digestive health, known for its ability to alleviate bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural compounds stimulate bile production, enhancing fat digestion and nutrient absorption. Ranking at number 3, it offers significant digestive benefits that are essential for overall well-being, especially when compared to higher-ranked benefits like enhanced mood, which focuses on mental clarity and relaxation. The soothing warmth of rosemary tea not only calms the stomach, but also promotes a healthy gut environment, making it a delicious and effective choice for those seeking digestive relief. Number 2, boosts memory and concentration. Rosemary tea is celebrated for its cognitive-enhancing properties, known to boost memory and concentration. The compounds found in rosemary, such as 1008-cineol, have been linked to improved mental clarity and focus, making it an ideal choice for studying or tackling challenging tasks. Ranking at number 2, it offers significant cognitive benefits that surpass those of lower-ranked items like digestive support, which primarily addresses physical health. The invigorating aroma and flavor of rosemary tea not only stimulate the mind, but also create a refreshing experience, making it a perfect companion for mental tasks and creativity. Number 1, rich in antioxidants. Rosemary tea stands out as a powerhouse rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals and protecting the body from oxidative stress. Packed with compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, this herbal infusion helps combat inflammation and supports overall health. Ranking at number 1, its antioxidant properties lay the foundation for all other benefits, including improved memory and digestive health. Unlike lower-ranked attributes, which focus on specific areas, the rich antioxidant content of rosemary tea provides comprehensive protection, making it an essential addition to your daily wellness routine for long-term vitality. In this video, we explored the top 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily, highlighting its impressive healing properties. From being rich in antioxidants at number 1 to promoting healthy hair growth at number 5, each benefit contributes to overall wellness. We discussed how rosemary tea supports digestive health, enhances mood, and boosts memory, making it a versatile addition to your routine. As you consider incorporating this herbal remedy into your life, remember its unique ability to nourish your hair and skin. Dive deeper into the world of rosemary tea and unlock its potential for a healthier, more vibrant you. If you want to see more, hit subscribe.